Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of VanHaven TV. I'm Jordan. What's this? This doesn't look like a VW badge there, but you can check that out online anyway. Anyway, come see what I've been up to on my van. Come this way. Big brakes, more of. But not only that, carbon fibre. Around the back, we've also got big discs, smaller brakes, upgraded pads. What more could you want? Over here, we've got Jack. Jack.
Oh,
hi. Hi. What are you up to today, mate?
What am I doing?
Give us a rundown.
Customs bought some new wheels. Obviously, the factory wheels had a pressure monitoring system in it. So obviously, this actually gives you like a direct pressure.
Technical.
Of the tyre rather than just like a loss sensor. So I just swapping those over into his new wheels.
Cool. Yeah. Where are his new wheels?
They're actually on the van currently.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll have to go check that out.
Yeah,
we'll
go
have a look. We'll go have a look. Cheers, Jack. T7 demonstrator. Now, it looks a lot scarier than it is at the moment, but it's having an air ride install done on it, which is a bit top secret, so we'll keep that under a bit low key, but I'm sure there'll be a full video showing all of that. But what you also notice is big brakes. I suppose we should go further up through the workshop. Come this way. Now, the next van we'll go and check out is Dan's van. Crikey, it's got a lot going on. So, looks to me like he's building a racking system using phenomic ply to store the customer's work case boxes. Also looks like there's a sub being tucked away in there somewhere, which will sound pretty crispy. He's still obviously in quite early stages, hence the protection and the various different pieces of wood that he's using for templates, but then also cutting around the phenomic ply to make it look great. This will certainly be one to come back and check out once it's all built up and finished, so we'll have to catch up with him then when he's back. Moving further down the workshop, we've got Tom T-Dubs. Now, T-Dubs is actually out the back at the second in time, so we'll catch up with him in a second when we head out the back. But by the looks of it, he's installed himself a nice stealth pop top on this vehicle. Now, I really also like the tent that we've got going on. I don't think I've ever actually seen a tent in this color on a stealth roof, and matched up with the Indian gray, I think it looks really beautiful. Inside the vehicle, he's got his library pack in the cab, which will be then followed through into the rear once he's installed his side rails, because this vehicle is having a twin buddy seat system in it on rails that will slide up and down the vehicle. He's also building in a big overarch water tank, which I think that's what he's actually at the back cutting up now to build around. We've got some really nice light strip lights going down through the roof as well, actually. They go the full length of the vehicle. So the customer's gonna be able to see every inch of this van when it's put together and admire it in all its beauty. But not only that, he's gonna be able to chill out and, well, just enjoy the vehicle. So, really cool one. Moving further down, we've got Ollie's build. Now, Ollie's build is quite a special one. He's also got a really, really nice floor. Now, you wait till you see this. Amtico floor. Now, we can only admire it now in all of its beauty, because I know that he's got things like a toilet going into this. This is also going to be built up for a gentleman that does a lot of scuba diving with a lot of big scuba gear and big air tanks that will sit on the back. So I believe he's having a wet sort of dry box made in the back. So that then once he jumps out of the sea, you know, he can take his wetsuit off, hang it up into the back of his vehicle and dry it out. Not only that, but he's also installing Urbispatcher AC unit in the top. Now, It's in its very early stages. You can see the blower that's mounted at the top. Ollie's still got to build the box and everything in around it. And I believe he's actually still, he's still got to mount the blower underneath yet as well. So that's not too bad, but I think you should come check the floor out from this side as well. But quickly, more carbon fiber. Let's take a look at that. Okay, cool. Well, we've Ollie's van, really cool. Let's head over here to the detailing bay. Come this way. Now, I've got 2 vehicles down here in the detailing bay at the moment. We've got this beautiful copper bronze vehicle, which I believe is going to its new home tomorrow. So I'm sure the customers are very excited to collect that. You've got Sean and Reggie down here detailing the vans. Little bit of background on this one as well. Edition 73, really cool vehicle. One of the key features as well, Edition 73 kit. Carbon canards, yeah, beautiful. Got really nice optics on the front as well. This little section here just done in the same color as the body of the van. Love it. Good chat to Reg, see what he's up to. Reggie, how's it going?
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad.
Good stuff. How are you getting on with this van then?
Yeah, so I've given it a full polish, roof included. I'm just on the inside now.
Cool.
Getting it ready. It's going today.
Oh, it's going today?
Yeah, it's going today.
Going today, even better.
So yeah, just on the inside now. Just getting it, obviously because it's a used van, it takes a little bit longer. But
yeah. Sweet.
It'll look brand new for the customer.
What's
About
your,
3 o'clock.
What's your favourite feature then? Your favourite feature of the van?
I don't know. I do like the wheels. I know they're getting changed, but I do like a swamper. To be fair.
Yeah.
I think it is staying as a swamper, but I think he's just having different type of wheels.
Sweet. And he's got the swamper overarch kit. And
Yeah.
I do like the parts down the van as well. All finished in Raptor, so it's going to be durable, hard wearing. You know, you can beat it down through the lanes and get the stone chips and brush marks, and it'll still be looking just as good as when it left this place. So yeah, nice one. Cheers, Reggie.
No worries.
Right, cool. Heading over to Sean now. Sean, how you going, man?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Yeah, good. What are you up to here then? Give me a bit of a rundown.
Johnny's got a customer coming this afternoon sometime, so I've given it a single stage polish.
Sweet.
They're coming to view this.
Perfect.
And now I'm cleaning the glass.
Oh, nice.
So
nice.
soon be done.
What's the inside looking like?
Edition 73, mate.
Look at that. That leather is absolutely popping in that electric blue.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Absolutely beautiful. You've also got the Alcantara roof, Alcantara headliner, A pillar, B pillar. You've got interior optics. Wow. Right, let's head down into the back workshop. Come this way, guys. T-Dubs, you are live and direct on Workshop Wednesday.
Oh, live and direct. How are you?
Yeah, we're good. We've been through your van without you.
Yeah.
Give them a bit of a brief rundown as to what's going on.
Lovely.
Talk us through what you're up to out here though, because it looks quite interesting.
So, what I'm up to at the moment is I'm making my drawers.
Okay.
Bit of a bizarre thing to do first, but I'm also currently waiting for a piece for my flooring.
Oh, okay, cool.
So once the floor's in, I can physically build the cabinets, but I've got an idea of where my drawers are going to go, so I've got an idea of sizes. So I'm just going ahead and making those.
Fantastic. Well,
Yeah.
I mean, it certainly seems like this is also another build that we need to come back and check out once it's a bit further down the line.
It is motorbike 4.0.
Oh, wow. I'm sure everyone's seen motorbike 1, 2, and 3.
Yes.
So
this
hold
is the
tight.
4th revision.
Hold tight
Yeah.
for number 4.
This one's going to be,
It's going to be the best one, surely.
yeah, well, I hope so. Yeah, maybe, well, there might be number 5 yet.
Well, stay tuned for number 5. I'm not sure if the camera does it any justice, but from where I'm stood, it's blue, but then I look at the tailgate and it's purple. Let's go speak to the man behind this rack, PPF. Freddy, how are we going?
Yeah, good.
How are you getting on with this thing then? Treating you well?
Yeah, basically done now.
Yeah.
Just the finishing touches, all the door shuts are getting finished. So.
Perfect,
Yeah.
perfect. Yeah, that's really nice, man. Done a really good job of it. Bet you're excited to see this one outside and in the flesh, get some natural light on it.
I want to get it all back together now just to see what we've done.
Awesome.
It's
Perfect.
looking good though. I'm happy with it so far. So.
Well, that is the main thing, you know. Can't ask for anything more than that. Well, thanks, Freddy. We'll catch up with you a bit later. That was another episode of Workshop Wednesday. I need to get back and do some work, really. Don't really have time for all this filming malarkey, so catch you next time. Cheers.